Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hi guys!
We're going to be discussing SAD.
Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a cooking video. We're basically...
Wig snatched.
We're basically...
You guys have a camera on us at all times.
We're
I feel
basically...
exposed.
Oh my god.
Hey guys, so we're basically doing...
Hey guys, and welcome
we're not
back to
basically doing
this
we
channel.
are doing a cooking video. We're baking. We're making an apple crumble because Vishal has no content. So
We're gonna stay woke because you have to say...
and she's exploiting us because we're the one getting the taste.
You're sitting on my phone. And also answering sister questions. Basically, I'm putting up on my Instagram asking you guys to ask questions. So we're gonna answer those while also making an apple crumble. That took so much.
That was the worst
Effort?
intro ever.
So first off, we have our 3 Bramley apples. Or cooking apples, I don't know if that's what they are. Ruth, if you're not going in the video, you can't make noise.
Question number 1.
We have our butter.
What is your biggest fear in life?
To be honest, my biggest fear is not meeting Rachel's standards because if she doesn't, she'll beat me.
Rude. Jordan.
What's your biggest fear in life?
My biggest fear in life is being alone.
That's why she likes
Oh
it.
god, I gotta get used to that fear.
Jordan.
That's the tea, sis.
Okay.
Um,
3 apples.
Hold up. You never start a recipe by preparing the ingredients. You always, firstly, turn on the oven. Aon Homek.
Well, you're not really doing very much to prove your aim, Homek.
Okay,
now we get to put the apples.
First. No, Rachel, this is your video. I want to take control.
Okay. Right.
Go ahead. That was very dangerous.
Okay.
Should not peel them first.
Next
I
question.
peel now.
Next question.
Next question. Okay.
What about my question?
What are the top 3 places you'd like to visit in the world?
Wow, these are deep. New York, California, and actually no, they're very basic.
How typical. Mine would be
you.
the Amalfi Coast.
Wait, this is a sister vlog. But Rachel's
Dubai.
only answering the
No,
question.
I
And
Where did you say?
The Amalfi Coast. I've already been there.
no one gives a crap.
Stop
Rude.
being vulgar.
I mean, that's so great. Tell me about your experience.
Edit that out.
Amalfi Coast, Dubai,
Italy.
Parks, guys. No, Yellowstone.
Yosemite.
That's the same thing. No,
They're
it's
not the same thing.
Stuff.
Yellowstone. Yellowstone is in.
I want to go nowhere. I actually don't know where I want to go.
She wants to go to Limerick.
Why?
Because my top 3 places in the world, Limerick. Next question, guys. Rachel, this is for you.
Right.
Any regrets with college?
Probably not going to Dublin for college. I would have liked to have gone to college in Dublin.
I thought it was for saving grace.
I don't know. I really don't know. I know, because I feel like if I went to college in Dublin, I would have like been wilder. Like I would have went out more because there's very little to like go out in like minute.
Shane Dawson.
Interesting. No, like.
That's the tea.
Right. I'm just gonna go leave.
Where do you shop most online?
ASOS and Bershka.
Okay, it's hot in here.
For us, it's hard.
What is your favorite book, Jordan, seeing as Rachel cannot read? I'm asking the question.
Who do you think is going to buy those?
Anyone that loves
Your
me.
sugar daddies.
What?
I'm kidding.
Abigail, how dare you?
Anyway, so my favorite book, I don't have one because I don't read. I don't have time for that, you know. I'm too busy
Abigail's actually
starring in Rachel's videos.
Intellectual.
Favorite book, Jordan?
It's too hard, I can't say.
Same. So many.
So many
Same,
man.
What is your anthem right now?
Thank you next. Ariana Grande.
How predictable. Mine would probably be
Mine would be that one by Dean Lewis. You know the one like.
Pressing on.
the one where all your friends are always something about.
Okay, Jordan, you're now going to be a full camera woman.
Oh.
So you're just going to have to follow us around. It's going to be like a Shane Dawson-esque documentary, but it's about making apple crumble.
I should say something like. Speak Andrew.
I would.
I know you would.
I follow.
As soon as he was revealed, I was like, Rachel Feek.
I follow Andrew on.
Who's
Instagram.
Andrew?
Shane Dawson.
Shane Dawson's cameraman. with it, please.
Do you want to?
You're taking ages cutting an apple.
I am taking.
I think that's going off as you're doing it. So hurry up.
Mommy wants us to use the good bowl, so BRB.
Your favorite movie / TV program?
Favorite movie?
Personally, my favorite movie is She's the Man. I can quote that.
It's just you were moving around too much.
Exactly.
Go on, girls, do a monologue from the movie.
No. My favorite TV program, I don't have one to be honest.
Yeah, my favorite is Grey's Anatomy.
It's not bad.
Shameless. How to Get Away with Murder. What else do I watch? I'm watching Bates Motel right now. Excuse me, I'm talking, you're not recording me.
Rachel, it's not about you all the time. Where's the phone? Let me see if anyone else is.
Your favorite Vine.
Oh my god.
And we have to quote it and after that.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Yeah. Road works ahead.
I sure hope it does.
Look at all those chickens.
Oh, I could have dropped my croissant.
No, it's
That
not
is
you.
it.
It's not you nearly whipped up my croissant.
No, it is. I could have dropped my croissant, isn't it?
I think I nearly.
Oh my god, I can't remember how it starts.
5 guys, not 5 guys.
2 guys,
2 guys,
have
5 feet apart.
Cause it's not gay.
5 guys.
That's called.
Oh my god.
Shut up.
Did you do this one?
It's like
I bring you Frankincense.
I bring you myrrh.
Murder.
Judas.
No one's gonna get that. No one knows that Vine. Or
It's unknown, just like you.
I can't think of my favorite one.
I can just remember him chewing his
Who's
gum.
your favorite Uber
Uber
driver?
driver.
I don't
Remember
think
the
it's
Uber driver?
Ruth, do your one about the berries. Come on.
Have to have
Jordan,
berry.
record me throwing stuff into the bowl. We'll zoom in.
Okay.
Don't be. No, you have to be quick with
Keep
this.
your voice in this so we just see. That's terrible lighting.
I know. Get out of the way.
You're focused.
Hi, I'm Anita Bliss.
This is my freestyle dance class.
Yeah, go on.
I need to get.
Do it.
Do it, come on. Come on, baby. You can do this.
There's only one thing worse than a child.
There's only one
Yeah.
thing. There's only one thing worse than a rapist. A
Child.
Oh, come on. Think of another one. I love violence.
What is Vine? No,
Avocado.
Avocado.
Avocado, that's it.
Fresh avocado. You don't even get the right thing, guys. You're just in one part of it.
Whatever.
I have a terrible memory. Oh, is that
This one. This one.
They were roommates.
Let's all tell you one truth about each other. I fucking hate you. You know?
Oh my god.
Alright, let's tell each other a secret about ourselves. I'm gonna go first. I hate you.
This isn't a Vine I don't think. You know the one? I didn't sleep because of y'all, and y'all didn't sleep because of me.
That's a program.
Oh my I know, but they made it into a Vine. What are you thinking of, Abigail?
R.I.P. Barry.
No, but you don't know.
Ruth, go get the frozen berries. We're going to defrost them and use them in our video.
Cause of y'all.
Y'all gonna sleep because of me.
Okay.
Fresh avocado.
Oh my god, I have another one.
Right.
Iridocyclitis.
Oh my god. Okay,
I don't know
someone
that.
ask the question. Who is the favorite child?
Me.
Dare thinks so.
Tree. No, we're like speed it up now.
Time lapse.
There's gonna be a time lapse. She's done.
Oh my god, guys, we forgot one. Hurricane Katrina. More like Hurricane
Tortilla. Get off my phone.
That's not fine.
I just have to say the question.
I was looking at them. Is there any? I want to see them.
Oh my
I found
god.
out my questions.
I found my berries.
Jordan, have you been doing good with the zooming in and stuff? We should
Yeah.
have made her watch the Shane Dawson documentary before this. Okay, who's your favorite YouTuber and why?
KK and Baby J. Their family is adorable. My second favorite YouTuber would probably be Rachel Eustace.
Wow.
Just singing about her. I don't
Get
know.
that climb in there.
Thanks, Abigail.
Ruth,
When was the last time you uploaded?
you're my number
My
one.
laptop is down. I have a video ready. I need to pull, but I just can't get it up. Ow!
Okay, Abigail, do you honestly cut this apple for me?
Will you honestly do something for yourself? Watch
Ruth, would you take this camera? It's heavy in my hand.
First of all, this keyboard would kill you right now.
Why?
You're wasting so much apple.
Yeah, well, you know,
Where's your laptop?
Shiraka do.
Anga!
Oh, no, it's you, Abigail, sorry.
You flag no.
Who are you?
I'm Abigail Eustace.
Oh, I'm sorry. I have to take. I'm gonna take my 50 minutes now because my hand is tired.
Here, I'll take it.
Right. This shows how slow you're doing it. Look at this bit.
Oh,
Oh shit. Oh no, it's so bitter.
You put sugar on it. Oh wait, I'm not
I was
focusing.
turning on the kettle. No, but why did you have to turn on the kettle? Because I'm making a cup of tea for my father.
Don't spill the tea.
Bro, I'm not even messing you. You need to get up and start providing me some more content.
So guys, I am
Fruit.
Rachel's camera person.
Where is the fruit? I made it earlier. It's just I'm after throwing it together.
Wow.
So guys, this is the donut we prepared earlier. It's so flat, just like Rachel's ass.
You wanted content? Ow.
Rude, stop. I have a cup of tea right here.
Feel it! Be one with the fridge. Become the fridge.
Rude, you look at that freezer.
I'm looking.
Ruth, what did you just find?
Eroclidosis.
Said that wrong.
Whatever.
Bye guys.
Yes.
Rude, Jordan, Abigail, come back.
Abba, don't leave me now.
Jordan, record this because she's not. Oh, you're still under 15.
Yeah, it's not my 15.
Oh my god. Okay, I took out this measuring thing. I don't even think we need to use it. Why is there a lump of ice on the counter?
I'd like to be paid extra since I'm working through my break.
Jordan, you weren't getting paid anyway.
Please don't tell me you're using that tin.
Is this a bad tin? What did you not use?
Crumble, Rachel, goes in a bowl. When you take this out, whoa, crumble falls everywhere.
Get rid of my tin then.
You said it was lasagna thing.
What do you use, Rachel?
Oh, I'm sorry.
To wash that.
I know. What's on your tin then?
It lasts you.
There. That just shows how little housework she does around here.
Oh my god.
Well, no, see,
That's more like you pouring.
both of you. Because, like, yeah, but you used to layer it like you're making a potato gratin.
What I'm saying
She
is,
doesn't make that.
what I'm saying
or
is,
anything.
when I put the raspberry, when I mix it in.
Is that leaf?
I don't know why I said
Wait,
that
you're
was
not
taking
going
so
to have
long.
a of apples, are you?
What? Right.
I feel like it looks wrong. It looks like jam on top of pieces of like
Potato.
potato.
Okay, so which is worse, the mayonnaise or the flour?
Ew, stop, bro.
I'll just refer back to my own question. Are you American? Your accent confuses me.
My accent isn't that bad.
Really? I don't know, I can't do it.
Water. Yeah, they did.
No, which one is which?
I get this question a lot. Girls, stand up and introduce yourselves.
No.
No, you okay? Bring it.
Okay.
Introduce yourself. No way.
Okay.
Introduce yourself. Okay.
How do I do this? How much did you pay me if I lick this?
Well, it cuts,
Nothing.
slice it into cubes.
Okay, is that it?
Very confused.
Oh my god, no, can we do a poll? Sorry, I'm doing my visuals.
Okay, let me see that picture. If it's raw and I don't want it to go up.
No, the butter is soft.
But she said it had to be softened.
The butter is meant to always harden.
It was hard when I was cutting it.
Crumble over and it doesn't look very
It looks like
crumbly.
result.
It looks like cauliflower.
Oh, rotten. It looks like scrambled egg.
Okay. Is it true that you bully your sisters, especially the youngest Ruth?
That was Ruth's question, so I'm not answering that one.
Is it true that you're selfish?
Yes.
What
That was my question too.
are the sticky toffee puddings?
Oh, haven't made that in years.
Did you know your dad used to do karate and that's how he knows my parents? I only just found out lol.
I did know that, Zoe.
We knew that for
What
years.
is the ugliest vegetable?
I don't
Parsnip.
think any vegetables are ugly because they came from the earth. And
Jesus
the earth
Christ. Next
creates
question.
beautiful things.
Who is
like
the favorite
me.
child?
Rachel.
Lies, it's me.
It's not me anyway. It's me. Is Rachel as annoying in real life as she sees on social media? XX.
What do you think, Abigail?
Yes.
Rachel,
Okay.
you're
do
gonna pop it in the oven?
Okay. Do the younger sisters find your experience as CEO/college experience helpful in making their choices?
Well, straight
Answer,
facts, I
sisters.
feel like I actually know more. Like, we have a career guidance class and everyone's like clueless. And then I'm just sitting there so bored out of my house. They're explaining simple things that I already know.
Like what?
I want to die. What? Poll changed. 61% flour.
you're gonna be eating the butter then. Would you rather?
I hate butter.
Okay, Ruth, what things do you know because of Jordan and I that other people don't know? Ruth, answer the question.
What I know is I'm not commuting because that is torturous because of their struggles.
Yeah.
Second of all, don't be on antibiotics for Freshers Week. Rachel. Don't be a hermit in your room for a first year. Rachel. Have more friends, Rachel.
Okay.
Go to all the
College
clubs and
events.
society things because you get free pizza.
Okay, so we'll just explain this. I don't think we've explained this properly on camera. So the poll is, should Rachel eat butter or a spoon of flour? And whatever's vote for me, Abigail has to do the other.
Currently, it's at 42% butter and 58% flour.
I'll choke in the flour though. It's
Yeah,
like
but I'll
cinnamon.
get sick.
I
I can't even say cinnamon.
Cinnamon. She hates butter, so.
What's the open in the oven?
Oh shit, yeah.
Say.
What? Wow, we're now in darkness. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Here's our lovely wet patch that Root never tidied up.
It's actually should. Oh, my camera actually.
You should have oven gloves.
Oh my god, should I?
You're gonna scald your hand.
Not funny. Now that's in. I wonder how long this is going to take.
Did you take a look at
Abigail's legit shitting it about the thought of it.
Shit. Wow.
IBS!
One taught me love, one taught me patience, and one taught me pain. I'm so amazing to loved and lost. Thank you, Lord. So thank you, Lord.
You made it.
Rachel ruined the crumble, guys. You should think crumble.
That's how the cookie crumbles.
I'm so sad.
Oh, what's hot?
Yeah, it's just out of the oven.
Wait, you will die if you eat that.
You're gonna die. Drew, you're dropping it on the floor. This is not even any the fruit. It's just
It just tastes like cake.
That's it.
Look at me.
Is it hot?
I'll go into your mouth.
Here, hold that. While I grab it.
It's nice.
Is it actually?
Yeah, there's a bit of the raspberry underneath. It's actually not bad. No, it's nice. It's good.
Oh, thank God! I was a bit stressed.
Rachel, that is all over that fruit. You're gonna scald them out of yourself.
Why sugar hotter than?
When the sugar's
Sugar can
caramelized.
heat up higher than boiling point.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh my God! Ruth, tell the camera your exciting news
Your battery's low on this.
about work experience.
I'm not.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
Is it flashing?
Yeah.
Fuck.
I'm actually not
Pause
allowed to
it.
tell anyone that.
Get
that
down.
sugar did the fruit good.
Get down. Okay, so that's the end of our making a crumble and asking each other questions. I don't know if we've even achieved much in this video.
I can't that low.
Okay, we'll just get on the ground. But yeah, hopefully when I edit it, it will be okay. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Now we're gonna get down. We're gonna hold up the crumble and we're gonna do our thumbnail.
That's scalding. Ah,
You're a
jeez.
fucking idiot.
That
I'm
was
glad you got that on camera.
You're an idiot.
Right, wait. Where's the gloves?
Stop eating.
It's good.
Okay, get down, quick.
I can't be everything you want me to be. I can't be.
Is that too, Abigail? I think it's washing us out too much.
Let me see.
Now press.
Oh, Jenny, I look like a hot tamale in turkey sauce.